Hi, my name is Abhinav Sabharwal and welcome to another of my videos. And today we will talk about redefining HR with RPA. Deciding where to launch the first wave of RPA in your organization is not easy. By training your teams and expanding your RPA program into HR, you can change that. We hope you see why RPA in HR operation gives more value from your automation deployment and how is this department an ideal place to implement RPA. HR professionals perform many manual tasks, leaving less time to focus on the important personal aspects of their roles. You'll find there are many areas where the HR departments can leverage automation to begin their digital transformation journey. Starting your intelligent automation journey. HR departments still find themselves with a lot of transactional work despite the introduction of new technologies and strategic plans. From higher level strategy to day-to-day employees relation, HR professionals perform many manual tasks, leaving less time to focus on the important personal aspect of their roles. In this guide, I will share my experiences and best practices from working with customers around the globe and show you how RPA can transform the way your HR team works. Here, we'll uncover why now is the time to transform HR with intelligent automation, which processes are ideal candidates to start off your automation journey, how several companies have transformed their people operations, and which system benefits you can achieve from deploying automation. Why should you start with human resources? As we have already mentioned, HR teams traditionally spend a lot of time on administrative and data driven work. But in a competitive global market where top talent has a lot of leverage, HR team needs to transform into a people-centric function to create best possible end-to-end experiences. For employees to perform and feel happy in their jobs, they look for organizations with meaningful roles, access to new technology, and company. So the first use case of RP and HR is employee onboarding. One of the first impressions for any new employee is how well their company onboard the team members. While every HR team goes to great lengths to streamline this process and make sure employees feel welcome, only 12% of the employees say they strongly agree that their organization does a good job. Clearly, there is still work to do. Of course, this doesn't mean your team is always to blame. Rather, it's a result of resource-heavy nature of coordinating content, updating systems, processing requests, scheduling speakers, and getting timely IT support. From the practical getting access to facilities, computers, and software systems to initial training on how to perform their role in your company, it's not surprising there's a little time to build relationship and interact with new employees. Data management. Imagine for a moment how much data your HR department maintains and the tremendous challenge of managing it. From current employees to past employees, every aspect of a person record must be securely stored in compliance with the government and company policies. This is a challenge for HR teams working in small organizations, not to mention large corporations with thousands of employees. Many organizations have sophisticated HR platforms to keep this data safely protected. But that doesn't negate all the work HR teams must do to effectively manage it. Digital workers can significantly reduce the manual work involved in updating and transferring data between systems, ensuring the stored data is clean and consistent from the day they are hired to the day they retire. Payroll administration. Payroll administration is an important and highly visible task with every HR department, even when the separate payroll team exists. In recent years, this has been significantly easier with the new technology, but there is still the risk of human error, and it can take hours of work to complete payday obligations. As most people in HR have experienced, a simple error in payroll can easily disgruntle employees. Digital workers can make the payroll process far simpler. Digital workers can work alongside your people to complete the traditionally manual salary and payroll administration process effectively and accurately. The outcome: happy, compensated employees and a relaxed payroll team. Fourth is cultivate talent. In addition to all the work a digital workforce can alleviate, RPA also introduces skills and new career paths for potential employees. Employees can use their business and industry knowledge to build automated processes themselves. Companies can source important innovations using citizen development approach. Some employees may even choose to pivot their career to focus on RPA. Employees can set out to identify manual processes across their business and then optimize and automate them. To conclude, I would say embarking on an RPA journey with the human resource is a strategic move in today's competitive landscape. By automating processes like onboarding, data management, payroll administration, and talent cultivation, HR teams can shift their focus on delivering exceptional experiences and strategic value. RPA not only streamlines operations but also empower employees to engage in citizens development, fostering innovation. This transformative step not only benefits HR but sets the stage for broader organizational digital transformation. Embracing RPA and HR to unlock efficiency, accuracy, and a people-centric approach ultimately strengthens your workforce. And guys, thank you for watching my video till the end. And if you would also like to have some kind of consultation on how RPA can be implemented in your organization, or if you would like to become an RPA professional, there are a few courses we have mentioned right here.